الشعب العراقي كريم وامين قدام الكاميرات بس. يا ترى شلون راح يتصرف هذا الشعب اذا كانت الكاميرا خفيه بهذه النظاره؟ راح تصور كل شيء ولا يعرف ان في كاميرا قاعد تصور. العراقي صوره وصوت.
Hi there, how's it going? How are you? How much is the bundle? How much is the bundle? How much? How much money? How much? 4. Give me 4,000. Give me 4. 4. So 1. Give me 2. 2. Just give me 2. Just 2. 2. How much is 2?
2 500.
Okay, give me 2. You speak English?
هاي 500. ودي
So how much is this?
كم عدد هذا الفرع؟ ليش بيه؟
How much?
4000.
I want 2. How much? 2 of them.
2 500.
2 like 500? 5? 5?
5 شنو؟
Like 2 of them for 500? 500? Okay, give me 2 please. What's funny? What?
Where do you live?
I live in Canada.
I live in Iraq.
No, in Canada. I'm from Canada.
Canada.
Yes. Ottawa is yes, Ottawa. How do you know Ottawa? How do you know?
I see you.
Where do you see
I
me?
see you to Ottawa.
You see me on Ottawa.
I live in Canada.
Oh, you live in Canada? You how? How? Where in Canada do you live?
I live in Ashar.
In Ashar? Here?
Ashar.
I'm gonna give him the 5,000. He's asking for 500 for these. I'm gonna give him 5,000 dinar and see if he's gonna return me the money. Okay, guys?
Okay.
I don't even have. I'll give him 1,000. How about this? Here.
500.
How much? That's it? No, not this?
No.
Are you sure? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. What's your name?
رضا.
Rida. Nice to meet you, Rida. You are very honest, man. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.
غيرك عشق ثاني